everyone, so whether it's warm or cool at the moment where you live, it's always important to use a scrub on your skin. Today I'm going to share with you a really simple and super easy body scrub recipe that only requires 4 ingredients. It'll scrub away all those dead skin cells and leave you with smooth, glowing and healthy looking skin. So here's what you're going to be needing. Raw sugar and white sugar, which will act as an exfoliation in your scrub. And coconut and olive oil, which will help moisturize your skin. You'll also be needing a pretty jar to store your scrub in. If you're having it in the shower, you might like to consider a plastic jar just in case it drops. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is add both your sugars into a mixing bowl. If your coconut oil is solid, warm it a little until it turns into a liquid. This just makes it easier for mixing. Add it to the sugars along with the olive oil. The ratio I think gives the best consistency is 2:1, but you can change it up to whatever suits you better. Mix everything together until it's well combined. Every day I learn a little more about her. Summertime wouldn't be the same without her. She is brown eyes, tan skin, moonlight and laughter. She is everything I've ever been. Summertime wouldn't be the same without her. She looks like a sundress. She looks clear on this. Add it to your jar and there you have your very own homemade all-natural body scrub. Summertime wouldn't be the same without her. Use your scrub a couple times a week and say goodbye to dull skin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY.